Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your workbench in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to approach your workbench that you have made and then open it by pressing your inventory. Now as you can see, to upgrade your workbench you will need several things, including 30 copper ingots, 20 iron ingots, and linen scraps. Scraps of a common fabric used by many Orbex species in the fashion their clothing. So you need to kill a lot of the Orbex. Well, not that, but anything that is walking around upstairs that is going to look like zombies and are wearing clothes. Once you kill those and you collect your copper, which is going to be laying around like here. So once you collect any copper or ingots, all you have to do is to mine it. And then you have to open your furnace. And then from here, you need to add whatever copper or ingots that you had with you. And then you're going to add it in the ore for the input. And then from here, you're going to add whatever you want to burn for the fuel. So you add these right here. And then you click turn on. And as you can see, now the ingots are turning to output. And as you can see, you will need ingots. And so we are creating our iron ingots from ores that we have collected. And finally, we will need copper. And once that is done, you can click right here. And once you have everything, you can then simply click on upgrade. And so it will upgrade the workbench from tier 1 to tier 2. And now for tier 2 or tier 3, you will need different substances. So you will need thorium ingot, cobalt, heavy leather, shadow scraps, and essence of fire. Everything which you can find down in the cave. Most of these you can either mine it or go through it, but the heavy leather needs to be from bears or giant mobs that will try to attack you. And once you have everything from that, you're going to click on upgrade again, and that will allow you to upgrade it from tier 3 until maximum, then tier 4, and then from here now you have reached max tier. And as you can see, the workbench changed. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.